This is why you should start using sea salt in your business. I'm going to be sharing with you the purpose of putting sea salt in your business and how to make use of it. And trust me, you will see a difference in your business, whatever business you are doing, small or big business. Yes, sea salt is a very, very powerful remedy. Spiritually, it's used in so many different ways. Yes, you can use it for cleansing yourself, you can use it in your business. Very powerful. It drives away evil eye, evil energy, whatever they can put in your place. You can use sea salt to drive it away. Yes, it's very powerful. You can use it for cleansing, bath it, and purify yourself. It has so many spiritual benefits. Now, I want to share with you how to make use of it in your business, to draw more sales, to attract more customers, or to protect yourself and your business. Yes, if you are working and you have competitors, those people who are selling a little bit more than you, or they have more customers than you, and you really want to be in that position, you can use sea salt to get there. Yes, sea salt is very, very powerful. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make use of it, and trust me, the results will be amazing. And if you have a business out there and you are not using sea salt, I don't know what you are doing. So this is going to help you grow financially stable, attract more customers, and draw more sales. Have peaceful business, so no witchcraft can be placed against your business, or no evil spirits, no evil customers, because those evil customers do exist. Even when your competitor sells low price than you will still get more customers. Yes, so this is going to be helping you a lot, and this is how you are going to be using sea salt to do that. Even the evil customers, people who just come to bargain and don't buy, sea salt will drive them away. So you need it in your business, and I'm going to show you how to make use of it. And trust me, people will come just to support you, to come buy from you, and not to tease you in your business or make you feel down. Okay, and also you'll sell more than your competitors. So this is what you have to do. You need to get sea salt, new sea salt, and sugar. If you have salt from your home, do not use it. Get a new sea salt in this special work. This is what you're going to do. You are going to get sea salt and sugar, mix them together in a bowl of water. It can be a jerrycan or just a normal bucket. Yes, so you are going to use this the day before. Assuming you are closing your shop at night, you are going to use this the following day in the morning. Okay, so you are going to mix salt and sugar in a bowl of water or in a jerrycan of water. Fill it and mix it very well. As you are mixing it, read Psalms 31. Read Psalms 31 and let that water dissolve. So let it sit for overnight, the all night. So early in the morning, that is when you're going to use this water. All right, so you are going to separate it, use it to mop your shop. So if you do not mop your shop, you are going to just to split, but I advise you to use it to mop your shop. Do not use soap, detergent, do not use any of that. Just mop your shop very well, and then the remaining water you are going to use it to split around where people or customers pass to come and support you, to buy from your shop. Okay, not even an evil, not even an enemy, not even someone who has came to fight you in your business will stand in front of that door. People will just come and buy from you and go peacefully. Okay, not even an enemy will come and brag out in your business, because sea salt is very powerful, and you need to do this at least once a week. Use sea salt once a week in your business. Do not sit on sea salt every Monday in your business. If you want to attract more customers, if you want a successful business, if you want a peaceful business, like no evil, no witchcraft shall be placed in your business. No evil enemy or evil customers will come over to your business. Do this every Monday. And also you are going to get a red cloth, red or white cloth, and then put sea salt. Maybe you can put 7 or 9 pieces of sea salt into that red cloth, then tie it very well and hang it in your shop. You can hang it in the corner, but it's better for it to be hanged like this. Okay, let me tell you, not even an evil person will stand in front of your business. Not even someone who comes to fight you will stand in front of your business. Yes, that is very powerful. Seasalt on business, I trust it and I've used it. I know how powerful it is. Do not joke on it or do not sit on Seasalt. Just use it and see that results. Just use it and see how powerful it is, because you will see things that you never expected it. Okay, not even an evil person will come and start next to your business. Just hang a little bit of Seasalt in your business. Let it stay there. Let it stay there for how long as it can, because Seasalt does not rotten. You can exchange it time to time, but do not remove it. It's for protection. It will drive away any evil, anything that is placed into your shop, or anything that is done to you not to sell or to have customers or to fail completely. It will be driven away. Yes. So guys, that is what you have to do, and you can do it if you're a Muslim or Christian, Buddha. It does not matter what religion is, as long as you have trust and belief. Pray over that and then mop. Trust me, you will see the difference. So guys, that is how you are going to be using Seasalt in your business. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video was helpful, kindly share it, subscribe. See you in my next video.